All right, so all right, so the 50 points of 50 points, right? Of 50 points. The employment, the employment report, right? Everybody wants to know. Oh my God, what's gonna happen next, man? Well, we know where it's going to 33, right? So we are going to watch really closely 13, right? Okay, bada boom here, 13. Okay, 13. Okay, as long as the price is about 13, it's on its way to 33. Okay, so we're gonna be on this. We're gonna be on this no man's land. 13, 21, 13, 21, 21, 13, 21, 13, no man's land. Oh, that's right here. Clean break of 13. Then it's not going to be a nice ride all the way to 90, but that's where it's going. And as long as there is a bounce off of this 13, 13, 23, 13, 23, 33, 20 points. Okay, that's what we're after now. The bulls are nervous right now, right? Because we're gonna go to 33, right? That's what we think it's gonna go. And this pullback right here, smart money playing with all these retail traders, for lack of a better word. Okay. Remember, the trip to 90. That's not gonna be a straight line. So that's pretty much how the market behaves. Okay. In this case, that's how's gonna happen. Clean break of 13. It's going to 10. It's going to 8. It's going to 7. It's going to 502. It's going to 5. It's going to be stopped all over the place. Whereas nice bounce, and we can tell that the bulls are in command. There's nothing stopping the price. Not even this new high that we just had here, 22, 23. Not even that's going to stop it. All right, so let's do it. Right? So this is the nice bounce that I told you about. Boom. Right? Nicely. It goes to 14. Beautiful. And I told you, not even this high right here is going to stop it. It's on its way to 33 to give us 20 points. So let's concentrate on this, and then we'll take it from there. All right? Straight line, of course, it's not going to be a straight line either, but it's gonna be a lot more comfortable than had it broken 13. Okay. So the main play is long. We had the nice break out to the upside. We had a breakout. We had a long breakout, and we know it's half an hour ago that it's going to 33. It's gonna give us 20 points, and we'll take it from there. All right. So the smart money goes ahead and plummets the price from 28 all the way to 17. 11 points in 11 seconds. Shakes everybody out. Right? No, not everybody. All the bulls are shaking out. 17 bulls. Those of us who want to go to 33, we're not gonna let it play with us that easy. Sure, we are ready to change hats, need be, right? Of course. Not until I tell you. Okay, so hang in there. I don't know, Mystique, but is that almost 33?
Yes.
Yes, it's 32 half, right?
Correcto.
You know that you can get out 1 point below, 1 point above. I mean, and look at the recoil, Mystique.
Yes.
That's all of us taking profit 32, 33, right? Because we know the future. You don't know the future. You have no business trading the S&P 500. Day trading, no. You better be an investor. Just go ahead and buy it. Never sell it. You wanna be a day trader? You better join Capital Trade Center. look at this beautiful pullback from our counter trend short, 32, right? 32, 33, all the way to 20. So that's 13 points. Is that 18? Is that back to where it all started?
Yep.
Giving us another 20 points, Mystique?
Correcto.
All right. Sounds good to me. So we all know exactly what needs to happen for us not to believe that the Bulls are still in control, right? Even though we just made 20 points on the way up and we just made 20 points on the way down, we know exactly what needs to happen for the main play long to be invalidated. It needs to take our 13. 13. It's just a matter of knowing the exact level that you want to play off. That's it. You know, if you know that, then of course you need to be strong and conviction on your system, etc. Right?
Right.
Alrighty then. Clean break of 13. This area right here. Where is it going? We all know where it's going. I told you 45 minutes ago. All right. Until I tell you that you already know. So I don't even have to tell you again exactly what to do because you know where it's going. So is it going to be a piece of cake? Of course not, right? So price comes to 13, takes it, the usual dancing right here, pullbacks are here, takes it again. Who is in control, Mystique? Right, the Bears. And where is it going? To 490. So let's go ahead and let's not get all out of our 32 short and ride it all the way to 90 for 42 points on this counter trend short. In other words, we just picked the top.
That's right.
What everybody, all the little amateurs, retail traders, all the gurus on YouTube tell you, don't try to pick tops and bottom because it's impossible. We do it every day, Mystique.
That's right.
We just picked it once every day. And not only we pick the top, we know where it's going. So let's go ahead and make 42 points on this top pick and get the hell out 90 for 42 points, and then we'll take it from there. All right? And we know exactly what to do in case that it comes right back because it's not guaranteed and it goes to 13. I have to check to see if 13 is still our main gauge. I'll tell you. But for now, you know exactly what to do. We don't want the price to clean break 13. If it does, we get the hell out. Price just went to 500. What's 500? A psychological level. It's to be expected that the price was going to be stopped at 500. But I say that it's going to be taken and it's going to continue to 90.
490.
Okay.
Masters Row KGB.
Exactly. That's a KGB. That's exactly what that is. So remember, we also want to know what the rest of the world. We also want to know what the rest of the world is doing, and we all know that 500 is their it's a psychological level and it's a technical level also in this case. So we need to know that. All right. The fight continues. You know how many brave traders, those of us who took a counter trend short, our 32, 33, log profits right there at 500. That's 33 points in 33 seconds, to be expected. So it's okay. It's okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and move it to 15. 13 is now 15. Okay, let's move it to 15. Okay, so that's 15, right? So as long as the price is below 15, right? We just so in other words, price just broke 13. We're short, expecting the price to continue to 90, and now we have 2 more points of not letting the smart money shake us out. Okay, all right. So here we go. Okay, 15. All right, 15. Let's go to 90. We wanted to go to 90 first, right? It didn't give it to us. It had to go back to 13. We moved it to the 15. Just let's go to 90. right? And 90 is target 1, all right? So we're going to do exactly the same thing that we did at 13. We're going to be looking to counter trend long, okay? Right? 500 again. Remember what I told you. I'm expect when the bears take control, there's going to be a lot of profit taking 500 psychological level, but our real level is 90. So price goes to 500, a lot of profit taking, bounce, of course, all of this, goes try to go to 500 again and again, and again, until goes to where we say it's gonna go. And of course, we have a solid trail 50. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so we're gonna be doing some profit taking at 90. However, the recoil, we're gonna start looking for it, the counter trend at 88. So give me a couple of points of leeways. Okay, 10 a.m. We don't have any more economic releases today. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, with this volatility, the squeeze is 81. So watch out. Okay. The squeeze for this 88 is 81. All right, that's the squeeze. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so the price goes to 90 3/4, and those of us who know the strength of 90, FOMO, fear of missing out on this recoil, jumping the gun 3 ticks, right? 3 ticks above our 90, and taking advantage of this nice, look at that, 98, 99, taking advantage of this nice 9-point bounce that we have to manage now. Let me say it again. This 88.90 is pretty good. It's pretty strong. So I'm expecting some dancing around it. Okay. All right. So in other words, bulls are going to take profit, go long, take profit, go long, take profit, go long. It's not going to be easy for the price to break 88 and continue to the 81 squeeze. That's not going to happen easily. If it does, and I don't have a new read, then the squeeze, as usual, of course, common sense, it's going to be pretty good. All right. This one, it's already pretty good. The 90 counter trend long is already pretty good. I'm not expecting the price to take 88. All righty. It's pretty good. So if the smart money decides to keep on squeezing right, if the smart money continues, okay, look at that. Look at our 90 holding, right? Okay, all right. Tries to continue squeezing the bulls and take it to 88 and 81. As long as I don't have a new read, it's gonna be pretty. A pretty good scalp. Alrighty. Okay. Alrighty then. All right. So 88, right?
Yeah.
88, 90. So officially, right? Target 1 officially achieved from our 32 to 88. How many points is that?
45.
Pretty good, right? And we all, thank you, Steve. And we all know that this 88, it's a buy, right? It's target 1. So it's a buy, and we know that it's pretty strong, and we are expecting the price to hold, and I don't know, give us another 35 points, another 40 points, all right, off of our 88 long, and we also know, is that 94? So that's pretty good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 88 to 98, we're gonna make another 10 points again. And we know that a clean break of that 88 and whatever that little low is there, then the bears are in control, and it's on its way to 81. We don't have to concern ourselves with it as long as the price is above this bounce, which we knew way before it happened. And that's the trick I mean, if you're going to day trade, you need to know what the price is going to do before it does it, not after it does it, because by then you're way too late. Is that common sense, Mr. You think?
It is.
Alrighty then. So we all know that the Bears are in control since they took our 90.88. So target 1 officially achieved, counter trend, good for 10 points. And then we know that below 90, look at this beautiful 90 right here, right? The Bears are in control. However, we also know that the Bulls were going to fight it. They're going to do everything in their power to fight it. All right? And that's the reason for this 81, right? But we know the Bears are in control. So we are on our way to, this is target 1. This is target 1, 88.90, officially achieved. 81 is just a squeeze. It's not target 2, okay? So we are looking for target 2 now of the original, right? It's right here, of the original short 33 that gave us at 90, right? 90 to 33. How many points is that? 34 points. Target 1, and now don't get out of the main play short, counter trend short 33, because we know when it took 15, it became the main play. Target 1, 88.90, squeeze 81. So any longs that we take, it's a counter trend, right? We can take it with the micros, all righty? Look at this beautiful bounce off of the squeeze that we've known since when? An hour ago when we told it. But remember that the main play is still short, 33, target 1 here, 88.90, and those of you who are really strong, you took it to 81, so you made from 80 to 33. How many points is that? That's 53 points, right? That you just made on target 1. All right, so let's go ahead and see if it's going to continue going down, if it's going to take 81 and continue to target 2, our target 2, all right? That's what I'm looking at right now. In the meantime, we're long counter trend right here, 81, and even though it's a smaller position, because remember, position size is extremely important, don't get out of the counter trend long, even though the main play is short and we're looking for target 2, which is probably going to be somewhere around 66, right? I don't know yet, but that's probably where it's going to be, somewhere around here, right? Then let's continue playing the counter, all right? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have target 2. Target 2 is 475. Target 2, 475. Come on, give me target 2, 475. That's target 2. And of course, with this volatility, it's gonna be pretty tough to nail the exact level, right? That's 72. So remember what I told you, 66, right? What's the squeeze? 66. But we can start. Where the hell is it? Here it is, 66. We can start, I mean, look at it. Target 2, totally, completely achieved. We can start downloading some cars of our second unit, beginning right here, 75. With this volatility, 10 points is nothing, okay? So, all right, so what's the squeeze from 75, 66, okay? All righty. 75, 73, beautiful, right? So, do you see any reasons to get out, all out right here? Knowing that the squeeze is 66? Of course not. Now, 66, I do want, I want to make it official. 66 and 60 is the official target 2, meaning this is where I'm expecting a bounce. So it's okay to counter trend long, right? Here you can take profit. Counter trend long, 60, 66, mid-range, 63, right? For those of us who suffer from FOMO. Because remember, the market is dynamic and we have to take advantage of the volatility, the momentum, right? We have an initial target, but we knew way before the price plummeted from 82, from 81, we already knew the 75, 66, look at this 66, and then we continue managing. We're looking at it. We're looking at the price going, but I'm making it official 60 target 2. It's official. So you must be all out of your second unit at 60. Okay? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so from our original short 32 to this low right here, we're up 69 points, and we won 60 for the unit 2, so that we can have 69. I don't know. Give me 75 points for target 2 today. All right, let's do it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's 61, right? 60 and 3 ticks, and 60 is the official target 2. And as usual, you don't have to counter trend it if you don't want to, right? So we're up 75 points. There's no need to target. And remember that we always get out 3 times. So I'm looking for target 3 now. It's just that why not take advantage of our levels of support and resistance and counter trend while the price is plummeting, while the price is in a frenzy of buying, right? Take advantage of it with the micros. All right, 60 hit, target 2 officially hit. Remember what I told you. Be all out of the second unit. We have just one more unit to go because we always get out 3 times, right? It's not like we get out 20 times like all the fake gurus on YouTube that they finally catch a trend and then they start getting out, take profit, and we never know which. No. We get out 3 times, and that's it. All right. Let's go to target 3. So remember that 60 is the official target 2. So of course we are expecting some volatility, right? Momentum takes it below 60. Beautiful, all the way to 53. 7 points. 7 points is nothing, and then it goes back right to where? To our target 2, 60. And we all know trading 101, support becomes resistance becomes support. 60 takes 60, pull back to 60. We, all of us, professional traders, we take advantage that the price is taking 67 points, and we are salivating because we know that it's going to go back to our target 2, right? So we take a small position long below 60 so that we can make a couple of coffee bucks because we know it's going back to 60. All right? Okay. And that's what we do every single day. And we don't for the last 25 years. Okay. So so the smart money, my friends, are destroying a lot of amateurs, right? And I kid you not. I just have target 3. Target 3 is 402. Yeah, almost 400. All right. It's early. It's only 10. It's not even 11 yet. All right. Target 3 is 402. I kid you not. So that's 402, right? 403. Let's make it 403. So 403, my friends. You tell me, right? 403, just to make it even, right? So we're short 33 all the way to 403. How many points is that? That's target 3. All right. So we're gonna continue doing what we always do. Our levels of support and resistance, we're gonna continue respecting it. Look how the price took our target to 60, right? It took it, bounced, it went right back to 60. I told you, trading 101. Support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. 60 was support, was taken, became resistance. That's a nice entry short, a new one, by the way. And this 460 play is all the way to 203. Alrighty, however, we are short from here, from 33, 32, 31, right, 30, and we're gonna ride it all the way to maybe 400, right? So that's 130 points that we're looking to make today on our target 3. It's early, so hang in there. Look how vicious. Look how vicious this smart money, right? Look at that. What is this? 40 point spike and right back down. They're shaking everybody out. These people are vicious. They're not gonna shake us out, will they? We know that we have to be short below 60, right? Okay. Shake the amateurs out. We are the one who shake them out. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we almost reached our by way of 20. Okay, righty. All right. So what did we get here? 21. 1 point to our by way of 20. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 18 half, right? 18 half. So we got our by way of, and we won our third unit 03. But we know that that's what by way of means. This leg down is going to be stopped by way of 20, right? So we can play that too.